reaction time, but look on it. Look on it. Look on reaction time. Look on reaction time. Look on it. Look on reaction time. No, Mr. Look on. No, Mr. Look on reaction time.
King of Shores the other day, man, it was a day not to forget, you see me? Yeah, man, cause me I tell you, say, roll out to the machine for lower the 11s, you know? Which in, trust me, I tell you, say, on my way coming up, me I tell you, say, I can feel the different, the machine, the strength in the machine. You understand? So, go out there and with the intention to do my best and, you know, move out I will get a good start. Drop second, drop third. I go fourth, me I tell you, say, vroom. Whole life fourth speed gone. So I tell you, that was a moment, man. It come like the whole place get dark. I can't hear them. Because I say, yo, John, my day done. Right? At that point, me run with the fourth gear clean off, me run 11.7. So, come back in the pits and I say, John, why hard when me listen to the machine him out there on the track I rev me I tell you say, yo, trust me. It's hard for them and know say me not out there on the track. So I just drain the gear oil, all like cuttings them come out and thing. You see me? And a bridging walk up to me, wire loop and send me and say, yo, like see machine, you know, I will get you some gear oil and throw in and just go back out there say, boy, I may have some fun with the 1, 2, 3, 5, you know? Yeah, man. So I go back out 1, 2, 3, I try to catch the fifth and it miss. And the car on level 6 and I said, John, you know, so that car is normal. And then I just push back out again at elimination. You know, did my best. 1, 2, 3, CMA 11.5 and that was it, you know. Machine. So we can tell them and say, yo, 2020 Jag Rivals up. Yeah, man. We're gonna be a trip down in 11 seconds, you know. Consistent. We're not too greedy and do more than what we can do still, but we're gonna be consistent in our sub 11s, you see me?